Please join me in welcoming Dan MacQueen. Dan, come on up. Let's go, Dan.
There's nothing like a brain hemorrhage to refocus the mind. On June 21st, 2014, in jolly old London, England, I suffered this hemorrhage. After 4 weeks in a coma, there we go, I was left learning how to walk, how to talk, and even how to smile. Now, by round of applause, can I hear who's been to London, England? Now, keep it going. Have you been to Tooting Broadway? Yeah, all right, we got a few. Right on, man. Now, let me set the scene for you. Tooting Broadway is an area in South London, an area they call up and coming. Think loud sirens, drugs, gangs. It's dirty, it's hectic, and boy, is it busy. I'm walking with a cane. I'm walking with an eye patch. After 4 months in a wheelchair, I'm literally Bambi on ice. I turn the corner to walk on the high street of Tooting Broadway, immediately get slammed into by someone. I stagger back a few feet. Someone scurries past me on the right-hand side. I thought I was done with the rats. Someone had been stabbed on the sidewalk back here. I'm thinking, this is a pretty wild place to learn how to walk. After a few days of this, I was thinking, this is the worst place to learn how to walk in the world. Can't they see I'm trying to walk here? Can't they see I'm trying here? And then one day my perspective shifted. Maybe this isn't the worst place to learn how to walk in the world. No, maybe this is the best. If I can walk here, I can walk anywhere. Now, Tooting Broadway didn't change, right? It went from the worst to the best in my mind, and my mood reflected that. What are you looking at in your life you're convinced is the worst? Convinced is the absolute worst. Hey, maybe it is. Or maybe you can find a way to turn down the suck a little bit. Shift that perspective a little bit. Iron Mike Tyson famously said, everyone's got a plan until they get punched in the mouth. Now, your punch may not be a brain hemorrhage, right? Facts. It will be a job loss, a breakup, a diagnosis for you or a loved one. You will take that punch in the mouth. How will you respond? I'm offering a compass, not a map, but a compass. It always points towards true north. Always. Look at things like mindset, perspective, and hacks. My name's Dan MacQueen. The reason why I told you that story about learning to walk in Tooting Broadway is when you change the way you look at the world you look at changes. And you don't need a brain hemorrhage to understand that. Thank you.
Hey, Dan, yeah, stay up there, bud. Let's give a little love.